The Littlest seed's big heart. In a cozy little village nestled among rolling hills lived a girl named Lily. She had a heart as bright as the summer sun and a spirit as gentle as a morning breeze. One sunny morning, while tending her garden, Lily found a tiny, lonely seed. It looked lost and forgotten among the bigger plants. "You seem so small and alone," she whispered. "I'll take care of you." Just then, Barnaby, a little sparrow, fluttered down from a nearby tree. He chirped sadly. "No one ever notices me." Lily smiled at Barnaby. "Of course we notice you. Everyone deserves kindness." Lily planted the seed in a small pot, watering it with care. Barnaby watched with bright eyes. Days turned into weeks, and Lily and Barnaby took turns tending to the little pot. One morning, a tiny sprout peeked out from the soil. They both cheered with joy. But as the sprout grew, it became droopy. It needed more space, but Lily had no bigger pot. Barnaby chirped, "I know, Mrs. Willow down the lane has a garden full of pots." Lily and Barnaby carefully carried the pot to Mrs. Willow's garden. She was delighted to help. Mrs. Willow gently replanted the sprout into a bigger pot. "Kindness always grows," she said. The sprout grew taller and stronger. It blossomed into a beautiful sunflower, taller than Lily. Lily and Barnaby learned that even the smallest act of kindness could make the biggest difference. And so, they continued to spread kindness, goodness, and gentleness wherever they went.